Today, we will learn how to file GST returns step by step using the official GST portal. So, in this tutorial, we will be covering GST R1 and GST R3B. Okay. So, first of all, we need to understand what is GST return. GST return is a report of our business sales, purchases, tax collected, and tax paid. It is a document that every GST registered business must file to report their income and tax liability. And it should be filed monthly or quarterly on the site www.gst.gov.in. So that will ensure transparency, right, and proper tax collection by the government. Now we'll see the types of GST returns. The two most important returns are GST R1 and GST R3B. GST R1 that contains our sales data, but while GST R3B that will give a summary of the tax which we need to pay. Then what all things we need before filing GST? First one is GST login credentials. So before you start filing, keep your login details ready. Then invoice summary, that is the sales and purchase invoices. Then internet connection, there should be a stable internet connection ready. You can also use Excel or the GST offline tool if needed, which is optional. Now what are the steps for filing GST R1? First, to file GST R1, log into the portal, that is log into gst.gov.in. Now go to returns. GST R1 you can select. Here you can select the return period. Then upload your invoice. So the invoice details will be entered. You can save and submit. Now the steps for filing GST R3B. Here it is simpler. It doesn't require individual invoice details. Just enter the monthly totals and pay the tax after adjusting your input credit. So that are the steps I have written. That is navigate to GST R3B. You can enter the summary of your outward supplies. Then claim ITC, that is input tax credit. Calculate the net tax payable and you can pay via online challan. Then some of the common mistakes that we need to avoid here is wrong invoice period selected, late filing which will attract penalties, then forgetting to claim ITC, mismatch between GSTR1 and 3B. So always be careful with the dates and tax calculations. Mismatches or delays, it can attract fines or notices from the GST department. Now due dates. For GSTR1, 11th is the due date and GSTR3B on the 20th of each month. So always cross-check your data before submission and filing early. That will give you time to fix any errors. So I hope this video helped you to understand the GST return filing in a simple way. And if you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.